Okay, guys, so this is a quick video to tell you a very easy way to make money on the stock market. It's a strategy I call oversold bounce. It's not my invention, it's been there for many, many years, and it will continue to be there in the years to come. So, how does it work? You find a stock that is in the oversold territory. How do you confirm that? You look at the indicator called relative strength index, RSI. If it's below 30, um, it is oversold territory. The stock into oversold territory. Well, it could be a big negative news, or a big negative event. In case of CrowdStrike, there was a big negative news regarding a big computer issues across the world that was caused by this company, and then you can see a massive dumping of the stock following that news. However, when that happens, check if the company has good fundamentals. Good fundamental meaning it has good earnings, good revenue. Just look at the last earnings report for CrowdStrike. You can see they beat the analyst estimate on top and bottom in terms of earnings per share and revenue. Always, for me, a very good way to check if a stock has good fundamentals. And thereafter, wait for the stock to rebound. And for me, I knew, or I had a sense that CrowdStrike will rebound because they are a very important cybersecurity company. Who will replace CrowdStrike in a jiffy? The answer was no. So I waited for this stock to rebound. And one way to check to confirm that a stock price has rebound is if the price move above the nearest moving day average. And in this case, I'll use 10-day moving average. And as a stock moved off that, I bought with a stop loss just maximum 2% below the that moving average. And as you can see, it has it has turned into a very interesting winning trade. Very easy, no no complication. For a stock of what can make a stock go